to the Samsung event for the 200 megapixel image, which is going to go on the Billboard. Look at that.
Press start on here and it will count you into each photo.
Right.
And when it's taking you each picture, just try and be as still as possible and then we'll get a really high definition image. Okay?
Awesome. Thank you so much.
And when you're ready, just come on out and come back.
Sure. Thank you. Okay. This is absolutely insane. Sorry, oh yeah, Evelyn. I'm Silky's had her picture. That hasn't had one yet. This is the last one. But we're gonna be up there in a few hours, which is so crazy. If you guys want to wave at the nice.
Mainly music and design.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey guys. Oh. So yeah. Hi. Go on, do it again.
And that's it.
Is that it?
So there was a she's making a decision like with the donations.
How do you feel? That was pretty big. It was literally the whole of that screen.
Oh my god, Paula!
I'm gonna get our leather jackets in. Nice. So he's looking at my round so that he knows what his round's gonna look like. Yeah, absolutely. It takes up the whole screen, like the full screen. That's very big. Literally, like, my lips are dry, so I can't just do that. And what if I had something stuck on my teeth? Like, I was smiling with my teeth, so... Yeah. Thanks for coming! Congratulations! So, we're done with the Billboard.
Oh.
I'm with my friends. Got this freaking like coffee and I don't know, short red thing. A Samsung bag. New Samsung case. What else do we got? I'm guessing this is gonna be a cup. And a Samsung lunchbox. So now I actually need to start making lunch. Oh, it says Samsung on the bottom as well. So yeah, that is all.